Now, we would like to look at some evidence-based strategies for children with symptoms of global developmental delay. In this video, we will look at the purpose of carrying out evidence-based practices, evidence-based strategies for speech or language developmental delay, cognitive developmental delay, as well as fine or gross motor skill delay. So what is the purpose of carrying out evidence-based practices? Evidence-based practices makes use of the most effective care available that is personalized to the child. Early and effective management involving parents as well as intervention focusing on the child improves their quality of life. Now, let us take a look at an evidence-based strategy for speech or language developmental delay, which is the parent-based language intervention with the use of a teach, model, coach, review method that is implemented with the caregiver. The caregiver makes use of 6 language facilitation strategies during intervention sessions and throughout the day with their child: responsive, matched turns, expansions, targets, prompting, and time delay. This evidence-based strategy is cost-effective and makes use of naturalistic language facilitation strategies. The caregiver observes the interventionist, models the strategies, and practices with coaching, leading to a higher probability of effective learning transfer. One evidence-based strategy for cognitive developmental delay would be the constant time delay procedure with embedded activity-based instructions. The CTD is a systematic instructional procedure that has been widely used with children with a range of disabilities. It is a type of response prompting strategy. The CTD is traditionally used in a didactic format. However, didactic approaches are inconsistent with child-initiated, child-directed, and teacher-supported approaches to instructions that is recommended practices for young children. Thus, activity-based instruction is used instead. The results indicate that the CTD was effective for teaching numbers to all 3 children, to count objects related to activities in which the child was engaged. One of the 2 children acquired the non-target information. One evidence-based strategy for gross motor delay would be the activity-based intervention, which is the best practices of early childhood physical education. It directs intervention by specifying the development of functional and generative skills. In this activity-based intervention, there is significant improvement in both locomotor and object control skills. An evidence-based strategy for fine motor delay would be the adaptive strategy by occupational therapists. Teachers are taught how to break down fine motor tasks into smaller steps and help students to use alternative written communication. The strategy includes modification of printing and writing tasks in the classroom. Teachers are taught specialized techniques such as the multisensory approach, methods to improve organization skills of the students, and strategies to ensure proper positioning. For this adaptive strategy, the greater the degree of implementation of occupational therapy strategies by the teacher, the greater the performance and satisfaction change scores. The greater a degree of teacher awareness of students' special needs resulted in a greater performance change score.